Yeah, the holiday season is an interesting time to consider because people might be using drugs for celebratory reasons. They're back home, they're hanging out with old friends, or maybe they're also feeling really sad or stressed or depressed during the holiday season. Or maybe they just want to have fun. They can keep themselves safe by a couple of different ways. Drug checking is one of them. Using with other people. Keeping people around, maybe having somebody in your circle who you feel safe enough to tell what you're using and how much you're using or when you plan to use it. Not using alone is vitally important because there's nobody there to help you, and you can't help yourself if you're experiencing an overdose. The majority of people who do die of overdose during this crisis are alone, so we want to make sure that either somebody knows that you're using and they can check on you, or you're with other people so they can respond right away. Know how to use naloxone. That's super important. Know what an overdose looks like. So, if you have friends that are using, you can recognize it in them and you could respond and maybe save a life. During the holiday season, people might also be using drugs and drinking alcohol. And so we also have to really watch out anytime we're mixing anything together, and the more drugs or alcohol that we're mixing together, that's going to increase your risk of overdose. So it's another way that we can keep ourselves safe during the holiday season is to think about maybe just using one thing or being really cautious about how much we're mixing. Safe ride home for sure. We always want to make sure that if we're increasing our alcohol use or we're really celebrating over the holiday season, that we always have a safe ride. We're never getting behind the wheel when we're intoxicated. Also having another person to make sure that you're okay and that if you do maybe overuse, they're going to think about how you get home okay, they're going to tuck you into bed safe, they're going to make sure that you're around safe people. So again, just sort of communicating about your plans and being around people who love and care about you.